If you are new to applying chemistry on your farm, maybe you just bought a new sprayer to try and avoid some of those application costs, and maybe you're switching some acres over to a crop that you haven't grown in a long time, and you forget which products are appropriate for a certain crop or timing, and you're just looking for a place to get started. A pack of products that will work for weed control in your crop, in your timing, check out AcrePack, a new tool at FBN.com. You can find it in the main menu on the left, on the drop down. Just scroll down to find AcrePack, or in the top green ribbon, AcrePack. So this is a different tool than AcrePlan. Instead, this is a place where FBN agronomists store packs of products that are tried and true for specific application timings for different crops across different regions. We have a decent number of agronomists here at FBN, and we're scattered across the country, so we know which chemistries are more common in certain regions and certain crops than others. So we have packs of products suitable for pre-emerge application, post-emerge application, fungicide, pre-harvest burn down, and a sprayer maintenance kit. If you're looking for a pack of products to keep that new sprayer of yours functioning really well, check that out. So if you want to know what post-emerge herbicide options are available to you that an agronomist might use in certain regions, just tell us how many acres are you trying to apply post-emerge. Maybe 800 acres is what you've got this year, and you are in the northern region. This is up to you which region you are most aligned with. Some of you may be flirting with 2 or 3 different regions if you're in the center of the country. And then check out what we have here. This is an evergreen place where agronomists will populate more and more lists designed to solve more and more problems with different packs of products. So if you're looking for a very basic soybean post-emerge plan, this might be a good option for you. All you've got to do is check the box. It'll tell you what products are in it: glyphosate, glufosinate, clethodim, even DR, in-plant ADV, and Ataris. Okay. This is a $23.69 cost per acre. If you want to go in and customize that, you can enter in here, read the description of what the plan is meant to do, what all the products are meant to do. Maybe you decide you don't need clethodim, you haven't had volunteer corn issues in a long time. You can drop that from the program. And if you drop it from a program, it'll update here. Your cost per acre goes down as well. But it's a good place to get some quick and dirty packs of products that are suitable for your crop in your region. Here's a corn program in the north, a $20.58, and so on and so forth. You can explore all the different options here. And then a little bit different in the fungicide and insecticide world, if you have a specific problem you're trying to solve, maybe you've got 300 acres of soybeans that have a really bad problem with white mold. You can go down and find soybean fungicide solutions, and we've got recommended packs of products designed to solve many different individual diseases. So you can find our white mold program that we would recommend here. White mold is usually best controlled with an integrated approach, but if you're going to spray a fungicide, use Boscalid, an adjuvant, and it's a good opportunity to add a biostimulant too. So that would be the program, and it would cost $38.24 per acre. Worth it if you've got a bad white mold problem. So that's AcrePack. It's a place where agronomists can store packs of products, and you can explore them if you're in a rush and you just need a good recommendation. AcrePack is the place to go.